This is your ITB Media Daily Crypto Brief for Tuesday, December 22, 2020. Subscribe to ITBiometrics for daily cryptocurrency headlines. In mainstream financial news, CNBC reports Bitcoin's rise could replace the US dollar, says Morgan Stanley's Ruchir Sharma.
Bloomberg headline: Musk inquires about moving large transactions to Bitcoin.
The Asia Times reports, either the US leads on crypto or China will.
Wall Street Journal headline: Bitcoin exchange Coinbase files for initial public offering.
Forbes headline: Digital custody may have arrived, but here is what to look out for.
In social media headlines, Altcoin Daily, YouTube, posts a video titled, Elon Musk may skyrocket the Bitcoin price in 2021. Tesla CEO's billion-dollar look into cryptocurrency.
The Moon YouTube reports, the Bitcoin rising wedge broke. What now?
Data Dash, YouTube, posts a video titled, Bitcoin drops 10%. Is a liquidity shift coming?
On Crypto Zombie YouTube, Bitcoin dead cat bounce. Urgent warning for all Bitcoin holders. $650,000.
In crypto publications headlines, Cointelegraph reports, SEC set to sue Ripple with XRP in the crosshairs.
Coindesk.com headline: Ripple CEO warns SEC may sue company over XRP sales.
CryptoNews.com reports on its front page, XRP drops as SEC voted to attack Ripple.
This has been your ITB Media Daily Crypto Brief for Tuesday, December 22, 2020.
If you want more global cryptocurrency news and real-time alerts, hit the subscribe button now and follow ITBiometrics on social media. ITB Media is a division of ITBiometrics, a leader in security for online transactions and cryptocurrency storage using biometric authentication. Learn more at ITBiometrics.com.
You should not treat any news or information from ITB Media as a specific inducement to make a particular investment or follow a particular investment strategy. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Before investing, consider seeking advice from your own financial or investment advisor.